Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use Python libraries inside a Jupyter Notebook. So whether you are working on data science, machine learning, or just starting with Python, this guide will help you install any package easily. So let's get started. Python libraries are pre-written code collections that provide additional functionality. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can use these libraries to speed up your work. Some examples of popular libraries are NumPy, which is used for numerical computing, Pandas, used for data analysis, Matplotlib and Seaborn, used for data visualization, scikit-learn for machine learning, and TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning. Now let us install them inside Jupyter Notebook. We can install libraries in Jupyter Notebook using two methods. So the first option is installing using pip, which is recommended. So if Jupyter is installed using pip, then we can run this command inside a notebook cell. Exclamation pip install numpy pandas matplotlib. We need to note that the exclamation sign before pip ensures that we run the command inside the Jupyter notebook. And the second option is installing using conda for Anaconda users. So if you are using Anaconda, then you can install the libraries using exclamation conda install numpy pandas. The first option of installing libraries in Jupyter Notebook is by using pip, which is recommended. So if Jupyter is all installed using pip, then we can run this command inside a notebook cell. So the command is pip install, and then we can write all the libraries we want to install. And let me run the code. So it will take some time. Yeah, so it's saying that requirement already satisfied, which means that all these three libraries are already installed in this system. Now we can also check if the libraries have been installed. For that, we can write this spd and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then we can print libraries installed successfully. Now let me run this cell. Now let us see what will be the output. Yeah, so it's saying that libraries installed successfully, which means that NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib have been installed successfully. Now let us see how to use these libraries in a Jupyter Notebook. So first let me give you an example using NumPy in Python. So for that, what I'll do is I'll write import NumPy as np, and then I'm creating an array. Let me just write it down. Create an array. So let me name the array as arr, and let me use np.array function, and let me just create 2 3 4 5, and then let me print numpy array and the arr variable. Now let me just run this. Yeah, so see, so the numpy array 1 2 3 4 5 has been printed. Let me give you another example using pandas in Python. So first we need to import pandas as pd. Then I'm creating a dictionary. Let the key be name, and let me just take 3 names. And Charlie. And now let me just write in their ages. So now let me create a data frame using pd.data frame, and I'm converting data into a data frame. And now let me print the data frame. Now let me run this. Yeah, see, a data frame has been created. Give you a third example of using Matplotlib. So for that, we'll first import matplotlib.plyplot as plt, and then I am just creating a simple plot. So I'm taking x and I'm just giving some random values 1 2 3 4 5, and then in y I am also giving some random values like 10 20 30 40 50. Now I want to plot the x and y. So how will I do that? I'll write plt.plot x comma y, and I'll use the marker as O. Let me just give this plot a title as simple plot, simple line plot, and let me name the x axis as plt.xlabel as x axis, and let me give the y label as y axis. This is a very simple and very basic line plot, and to print this, what we'll do is we'll write plt.show. Now let me run this. See, the line plot has been plotted. In the x-axis we have the values 1 2 3 4 5, and in the y-axis we have the values like 10 20 30 40 50. So this, I hope you understood like how can we install the libraries such as NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib in using Jupyter Notebook, and how we can use them. And that's how you install and use Python libraries inside Jupyter Notebook. Now you can install any package and start working on amazing projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with your friends.